Hi there! Have your kids expressed an interest in cooking? Do they ask to help when you cook? Do you let them help? Cooking together can seem daunting and a little messy, but also really fun. It's a great activity to do together and even educational. Today we'll be cooking together and making funny face pizzas. Here's what's going to happen while we're cooking. We're going to have some fun, we're going to spend quality time together, and we'll hit on a bunch of development skills that promote strong and healthy bodies. Mealtime is an excellent opportunity for families to commit to spending time together. Creating positive meal times with your kids while they're young can also help them with lifelong skills. Children learn by watching their parents model good manners, self-help skills, and good communication. By giving your kids real jobs to do, like helping with cooking, you're helping them learn responsibility and what it feels like to complete something successfully. Cooking together also helps develop your kids' fine motor skills, self-help skills, and their taste for trying new things. The ingredients for Funny Face Pizza are totally customizable, but here are the basics. English muffins, a jar of spaghetti sauce or pizza sauce, and 2 to 3 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese. Then you need to decide what you'd like to use to create your funny faces. We chose spinach chopped up, bell peppers in different colors, sliced and cut into different shapes, zucchini slices, mushroom slices, and some sliced olives. You may have noticed that all of our toppings are vegetables, but your kids won't notice. They'll be too wrapped up in creating their faces. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Give each kid an English muffin. Place all of your toppings on the table in front of them. You can give your kids a little guidance by suggesting they start with sauce on their pizza, because they will make the parts of the face stick to the bread. But otherwise, give them free rein to be as creative and as silly as they'd like. You should sit with them and make your own funny faces too. Once the oven is preheated and your kids have completed their creations, have them help you place the pizzas on a large baking sheet. Cook the pizzas for about 10 minutes. Then, as you're waiting for them to cool, look at all the faces together. Have your kids point out which ones are their favorites and have them tell you the steps they took to make them. Like how they made the mouth or why they chose to give their face 3 eyes. Then eat and enjoy. Cooking with your kids is just one more way you can spend quality time together. For more everyday activities, download the YQC app, Read, Play, Grow. There are endless ways to play, learn, and grow together. You're just getting started.